Welcome back to the armory. Quick update. I got the reproduction trigger guard in from Numeric, and it fits really well. It's a really nice little reproduction trigger guard. I also got the action screw in, and I've started cleaning the raceway in the receiver and the chamber and the barrel. And this is really easy. Let me try to show you this if I can. So basically we're just using real super soft brass brushes, and this one's going to go all the way deep into the chamber, and we're just cleaning the gunk out. And I use a power drill with the extension just to go real nice and slow and just clean out all the gunk and build up and everything from over the last few decades. Then we switch up to a little bit bigger one because there's a step down where the bolt face rides right here. And then this rear raceway, use a big shotgun brush right back in here, just nice and slow. Also started brushing out the barrel, and the rifling actually looks pretty darn good in this rifle. It's actually just buried under just decades of gunk that has built up in there, but everything is coming around real nice. So where we're at, we still need to find a bolt for this rifle. That is seeming to be very difficult to find. Also need to find the factory front and rear sight so we can put sights on it. So while I'm looking for that, I guess we're going to put this back in the safe, and well, we'll wait for more parts to come in, and hopefully we can finish this little project up here pretty quickly. So here's just a little quick video about how I clean out these old rifles from just being sit for so long. Now I'm going to run some patches of oil up and down the barrel, through the receiver and everything, so we got a nice, good, fresh coating of oil to preserve it. And as soon as we find more parts, we'll bring it back to the bench, and we'll try to get it finished up. All right. Thanks for watching. Check you out next time.